In this video, you will get to know about noun gender. What is gender? Gender tells whether the noun is a male, is a female, is either of a male or a female, or is a lifeless object. Kinds of gender. There are 4 kinds of gender. Number 1, masculine gender. Number 2, feminine gender. Number 3, common gender. Number 4, neuter gender. Number 1, masculine gender. Masculine gender is the name of all male person or animals. Example, boy, lion, king, cock. Number 2, feminine gender. Feminine gender is the name of all female persons or animals. Example, girl, lioness, queen, hen. Number 3, common gender. Common gender is the name which may be used for both males or female. Example, a baby can be boy or a girl. A teacher can be man or woman. A bird can be male or female. A student can be boy or a girl. Neuter gender is a name of such things which are lively. Example, bus, apple, book, pen, paper, pen. Formation of masculine gender into feminine gender. Number 1, some masculine gender can be changed into feminine gender by adding ESS. Example, author, authoress, god, goddess, lion, lioness, priest, priestess. By dropping last vowel in the masculine gender and adding ES to it. Actor, actress, hunter, hunters, waiter, waitress, emperor, empress. Number 3, by using an entirely different word. Boy, girl, bull, cow, dog, bitch, husband, wife, man, woman, son, madam, uncle, aunt. By changing masculine part of a noun into feminine. Grandfather, grandmother, landlord, landlady, peacock, peahen, son-in-law, daughter-in-law. By adding a word to the common gender. Example, baby, he, baby, bear, he, bear, calf, bull, calf, firefighter, fireman, goat, he, goat, police person. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.